The Milky Way Galaxy. A journey through space. Are you interested in learning about the Milky Way Galaxy? I assume you are because you found this video. We will be taking our journey through space by learning everything there is to know about the Milky Way. So, sit back, relax and take in the information that we have put together. What is the Milky Way? The Milky Way Galaxy, which includes our Sun, is a massive collection of dust, gas, and stars. Because the Earth is located within this galaxy, it is commonly referred to as our home galaxy, or simply, our galaxy. That starry strip across the night sky that we can see from Earth is actually a massive galaxy that spreads billions of kilometers around our planet. What size is it? Let us investigate. The Milky Way Galaxy is the second biggest in the local group of galaxies, after Andromeda. The Milky Way Galaxy is 105,700 light-years across, while the Andromeda Galaxy is 220,000 light-years across. By the way, the local group is a collection of galaxies that includes the Milky Way, extends for around 10 million light-years in space surrounding us. Why is it called the Milky Way? Our galaxy's name, like the names of many other astronomical objects, comes from the ancient Greek and Roman cultures. The Greeks and Romans both referred to the starry band as the river of milk. The Greeks believed it was milk from the goddess Hera that flowed across the sky, while the Romans believed it was milk from their goddess Ops. Other cultures' tales and beliefs about the stellar strip of light in the night sky differed. It was known as the Silvery River of Heaven in Eastern Asia, the pathway of the birds in Finland and Estonia, and the backbone of night in southern Africa. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Galaxies are classified into 4 types. They are spiral, elliptical, unusual, and irregular. The spiral-shaped Milky Way belongs to the first category. Viewed from the top or bottom, it appears to be a whirling pinwheel. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, which means it contains a center bar-shaped straight structure made up of stars. This bar has the nucleus of the galaxy in the center and 2 spiral arms attached to its ends. If the Milky Way were a typical spiral galaxy, its arms would lead directly to its core, as seen in the Andromeda Galaxy. The Milky Way contains 4 recognized arms. There are 2 main called Scutum Centaurus and Perseus, that are connected with the bar, and 2 minor, known as Norma and Sagittarius, positioned between them. Previously, scientists believed that all of these arms were significant, but infrared photos from NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope revealed otherwise. What is in the center of the Milky Way? The galactic central is the center portion of the Milky Way, and it includes Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole with a mass of around 4 million solar masses. A unique radio telescope is required to see the black hole. The galactic center, despite its great distance from Earth, can be seen by a casual observer. However, the reason for its brilliance is simple. There are around 10 million stars within 1 parsec of the galactic center. What does the Milky Way look like, and how do we know? It's difficult to determine the shape of the Milky Way from our vantage point within it. We don't have any images of our galaxy from the side because we can't leave it for the time being. However, there are a few hints that let us figure out what it looks like. Astronomers study other galaxies and compare their behavior to that of our own. When they examined the velocities of stars and gas in the Milky Way, for example, they discovered that an overall rotational motion varies from random motions. This is a feature of a spiral galaxy. Because the Milky Way appears to us as a long stripe across the sky, its shape is most likely a disk that we observe from the side. We can also see the bulge in the middle, and we know from other galaxies that spiral galaxies are disks with central bulges. Our Milky Way has the same gas proportion, color, and dust composition as other spiral galaxies. Where in the Milky Way is the Earth? When it comes to our placement inside the Milky Way, we're far from its center, which is good news, unless you've always wanted to live next to a massive black hole. Our Sun is almost 27,000 light-years from the nucleus of the Milky Way, or roughly midway between its center and its periphery. Our solar system is situated between 2 main arms, Scutum Centaurus and Perseus, within a short partial arm known as the Orion Arm or Orion Spur. This arm is approximately 3,500 light-years broad and over 20,000 light-years long. The constellation Orion inspired its name. We see so many bright objects in the constellation Orion because of our location within it. We're merely staring at our local spiral arm. How can we see the Milky Way? The good news is that the Milky Way can be seen all year long, no matter where you are on the planet. The galaxy, however, moves across the sky as our planet spins, as does its core, the galactic center, which is the brightest and most stunning region. And every now and again, the center vanishes from view. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed your journey through space, learning about the Milky Way Galaxy. If you found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button to show your support. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.